Give me some advice.
Best advice I can give you?
I'm 23.
23? Start looking at investments.
Start looking at investments?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you one quick investment you will never imagine.
Okay.
All you gotta do is go to Morgan Stanley.
I got me Morgan Stanley account.
Okay, go to Morgan Stanley and ask them for mutual fund and energy.
Right.
Take 20 grand.
Uh-huh.
You get 3 grand every 90 days.
For forever.
Forever.
One time payment.
One time investment.
So me, I'm 23. I plan on living to 107. So 3 grand for 107 years for 90 days.
Yep. Every 90 days. Here it is. It's $12,000 a year off this one.
$12,000 a year.
I'll tell you something else.
I like the way you thinking.
Go to the bank. Get you a Roth.
Roth IRA.
Put 3 grand a year in there, right?
Uh-huh.
Don't touch it until it matures, and it matures every day. All right, I guarantee you 3.7 million.
You guarantee
3.7.
What's your name?
Kevin Johnson.
Kevin Johnson. Now listen, when I get that 3.7 million, I'm gonna be looking for you.
You ain't gotta look up every day, man.
Well, true. I've been using Morgan Stanley account to have some free investment, even from here in Africa. But for now, I'm not sure that kind of $20 investment can work again. You can start 50, you can start 100. If you want to make that kind of money, it's said in that video that you can make in the next 20, 30, or maybe 2 or 10 years later, depending on the year you want it. But I'm not sure that kind of platform is available again. When I invest there in 2020, and this is 2025, things have changed, economy have evolved, investments have changed, platforms have changed their policy, changed a lot of things. So I don't believe that that kind of platform is still not available for people to use these days. So careful what you hear. Sometimes it seems like a scam, but sometimes it's not.